Almost everyone who gets a Ninja Slushi makes the same basic soda slushie on day one, and then it just sits in the cabinet. I've made hundreds of slushie recipes in mine, so today I'm gonna show you 4 different levels of Ninja Slushi recipes, starting from a simple 1-ingredient slushie and ending with one I'd pay for at a restaurant. And trust me, by level 4, you're not gonna believe that it came out of the same machine as level 1 did. So level 1 is the simplest slushie you can make. 1 ingredient straight into the machine, and that's it. And I'm going with the most classic slushie out there, regular Coca-Cola, which I've got measured out as 32 ounces already. Regular Coke slushes perfectly because it's filled with sugar, and a lack of sugar is the main thing that people get wrong when they first use the Ninja Slushi. If you were to try this with Diet Coke or Coke Zero instead, it would never freeze and turn into an actual slushie. So we've got this poured in past the minimum fill line there, and now I'm gonna use the Slush Assist, which is on the Slushie Max or the Slushie Twist. If you have the regular Ninja Slushie, you'll just have to play around with the temperature choice. But this one will do everything for me with just one button, and now we're on the way. And when it's done, I'll also let you know how long it took in case you wanna know that. 11 minutes later, it now beeped that it's ready. Let's take a look. First up, our dispensing test. And per usual, it does dispense a little bit slow, although this one's not too bad. Here are the results of our Coke slushie. So it looks pretty delicious and it's nice and thick too. Let's give it a quick taste. Yeah, it's frozen Coke. It's slightly better than drinking it straight from the can, especially when it only takes 11 minutes, but it's nothing to write home about. So for level 2, let's build it up a bit more and improve on the texture by making a 2-ingredient frosted lemonade. And for this, I'm just gonna mix somewhere around 24 to 30 ounces of lemonade with half a can of this sweetened condensed milk. Give this a quick mix so it's just one smooth consistency and the sweetened condensed milk doesn't get caught on the slushie as I'm pouring it in. The sweetened condensed milk in this should add fattiness and make the recipe more creamy instead of icy. And of course the lemonade will be for all the flavor. And now just like before, one button starts it. Because of the fattiness from the sweetened condensed milk, I'm expecting it to take a few more minutes than the Coke slushie, but let's see. I seem to have had that a little backwards because only 9 minutes later, our second slushie is ready. So for the dispense test, oh yeah, it's much thicker and much creamier looking as expected. Here is our result that I cannot wait to taste test, and a nice spoonful of it for a thickness test, perfect. But now let's taste. Oh yeah, absolutely delicious. Compared to our level 1 slushie, this actually feels like a drink that was put together and made intentionally. It's still pretty sweet and simple though, so for level 3, let's make something that an adult would actually order. A margarita. But we're actually gonna take it a step further than a regular margarita and make it sugar-free as well. Now, I've already got some water in here that I'm mixing with this sugar-free margarita drink mix. And now our tequila. And of course, alcohol is going to lower the freezing point of our slushie. So definitely have to respect ratios there and not use too much. And as I mentioned before, the slushie needs sugar to freeze. So to keep it sugar-free, I'm swapping in this sugar alternative. And this is just liquid allulose, but there's a whole bunch of different ones you can use. Now for a super quick mix to combine all the ingredients, although with this one, nothing should get caught like the sweetened condensed milk could. And just like usual, we'll now get this poured in and let's get it kicked off. This one took 15 minutes, but I would say that still isn't very long for a slushie. Now before we dispense this one, I'm actually gonna take it about half a level further and we're gonna garnish our rim with a salt lim before we dispense the slushie. So I'm dipping it in just a little bit of lime juice here to get that rim nice and wet, and then right into our salt. And now that we have that rim, we can dispense the actual slushie. Perfect dispensing here, and the thickness is looking good immediately. Our margarita sugar-free slushie all dispensed and ready to taste. A little thickness test, once again, just perfect. And a taste test. Oh man, that's good. This is the first one I'd feel comfortable actually serving at a party to all of my friends. It's truly delicious. And finally, for level 4, we're making a full-on dessert, a strawberry milkshake topped with homemade whipped cream, fresh strawberries, and a strawberry drizzle. And this one starts with whole milk and heavy cream. This is meant to be a rich dessert, so the dairy should help it come out thick and creamy. Basically the opposite of our icy and watery Coke. Now a little bit of vanilla, and make sure you use the real stuff. A couple tablespoons of sugar, and we're finishing it off with strawberry syrup. Let's give this a quick mix so that sugar and the ingredients, once again, don't get caught as we're pouring them in. And now we just simply pour like usual. Start it just like the rest of them, but this time while this one slushes, we're gonna prepare the whipped cream and the strawberries as well. So I'm gonna quickly mix in more heavy cream, a little bit of sugar and vanilla, and just quickly mix this up into whipped cream. And after 11 minutes, we finally get to enjoy. So first up, we dispense, and look at that texture. I mean, it's just perfect. And here's a better look at that slushy before we top it, and the thickness test. Looking just lovely for a milkshake. Let's add some of our homemade whipped cream right on top, a few slices of strawberries, and finally a little drizzle. And now for the taste test, we're going with a straw on this one. Oh my God, it's even better than it sounds. It's creamy, it's rich, it's got a really nice strawberry flavor, and I'm gonna drink the whole thing. And remember, this is the same machine that made our level 1 Coke slushie. But if a restaurant served me this one, I'd order it again every single week. So yeah, I think level 1 is perfect when you just want something cold and fast, and level 4 is perfect when you wanna show off and make your friends the perfect dessert. And then of course, there's everything in between that. Now, if you liked watching this go from a basic Coke slushie to a full-on dessert, I did the same thing in the Ninja Creamy, except that video ends on ice cream that tastes so good, it's almost like I got it at an ice cream shop. And you can check out that video right here.